And let's get straight to Dorian. Right now, a Category 2 hurricane, so it has weakened since yesterday. You may remember at one point this storm had 185-mile-an-hour winds. The eye is getting larger and also the effects are getting larger. We are feeling tropical storm force winds a good 50 miles away from the center, if not more. The storm currently about 100 miles east of Fort Pierce, Florida, and we are feeling tropical storm force winds 175 miles away from the center. So you don't have to be close to the eye of the storm to feel tropical storm force winds. Because of that, we're feeling the effects all the way from Daytona Beach to just north of Miami. So much of the eastern seaboard feeling tropical storm force winds. That's this area of yellow, and it will continue to affect much of the state all the way through tomorrow morning. It's moving, but it's only moving at 6 miles an hour. So by 4 a.m. tomorrow, still encompassing most of Florida. Not going to feel the effects over Georgia until Wednesday. So Wednesday afternoon and evening, we will feel tropical storm force winds. The area in red, that's hurricane force winds. I do think those hurricane force winds should stay just off the coast until it approaches South Carolina. The storm going to get dangerously close to Charleston and the Outer Banks. You're going to notice that red dot closer and closer to the coast. So I think the stronger winds will affect South Carolina and North Carolina. As far as Georgia is concerned, this is going to be more of a tropical storm event on the coast. Here in North Georgia, you are going to notice it getting a little breezy, but not until late tomorrow. So tomorrow morning will be great. By tomorrow night, 10 to 15 mile an hour winds, perhaps up to 20 mile an hour winds. That will continue through Thursday morning, and then those winds will die down as that storm, you see those purples, continue to move up the coast to the Carolinas. So here's what we're expecting in coastal Georgia. 3 to 7 foot storm surge. So this is happening during the high tide. Storm surge, a big concern. 3 to 7 foot storm surge for coastal Georgia with 4 to 8 inches of rain. Again, that's for the coast. Here in the metro area, little to no impact on our weather. In fact, we've got really nice weather over our area. Lots of sunshine and high heat. 93 degrees outside right now. Winds out of the northeast at 10 miles an hour. No rain since midnight. No rain expected today as we drop down to 72 degrees. Then tomorrow, hot, more heat, 96 degrees with no rain in the forecast. We'll be in those mid 90s all the way through the weekend. And Dorian, although bringing 4 to 8 inches of rain to the coast, nada over North Georgia. Atlanta will stay dry through the weekend. We'll finally start to see a chance of rain, but it won't even get here until next week. And that has nothing to do with Dorian.
All right. Jen, thank you.